Okay, good morning. So this week with Take a Stitch Tuesday, we're going to do a buttonhole wheel. It starts off with a circle that I drew on with my template and a dot in the center. You start the thread on the outside of the circle, take a stitch into the center and out to the outer edge. And I'm going to pull rather tight, not too tight. If you use a hoop, it's easier to not get too tight. I don't like a hoop. And maybe one day I'll get into it, but I don't think it's necessary. Now the final one, I'm going to go back to where we started and take a stitch to the back. And that is our video for this week's Take a Stitch Tuesday. I'm going to finish these up. All right. So I'm going to finish these. I don't know, I'm going to call them flowers. It is a buttonhole wheel, I think they called it. It's called a lot of different things. Looks a bit like a flower, especially when you put a group of them together like this. It reminds me of hollyhocks. Used to have hollyhocks. I used to have a house and a garden. Rose bushes, fruit trees. I even grew asparagus. I had to plant it in a ditch. I had to dig a ditch and plant it in the ditch, and I had to water it every day. And it took a couple years for me to get asparagus. And none of it made it into the house. I ate every bit of it outside in the garden, raw. So good. All right. I feel like I'm going off camera constantly. Maybe not. Maybe I should sit down. Oh, I don't know. Maybe I'll just be quiet and speed this up for you guys. I don't know how well this one's going to work. Let's see. So I don't know if you noticed, but I'm not going all the way through to the back and then back up to the top. I'm just taking a little scoop of the top piece of fabric. There is I have batting on the back. I don't normally sew with a batting backing. I don't like it. It's, if I go all the way through, when I go from the bottom up to the top, I get little white pieces of the batting on the top. I mean, it's bad enough that I have all the cat hair. Sorry, I went off camera again. All right, this one is really cute. Isn't that adorable? I think when they're closer together, no, I know, when they're closer together, it looks more like a circle. And it's like less angular. I could have done this one like closer together. I'm a little tempted to take it out and do it again. All right. I'm going to get some green and draw some lines, and I'm going to do the same stitch, but in a fan sort of thing. All right, I'll be back. All right, this one starts with little marks that look like pieces of pizza. And I'm going to start again at the outside, and I'm going to start with just a straight stitch that's going to go right back where it came out there. Then those should connect, but they don't, but that's fine. I think the first one that I did, I think I got it a little too close together. See, it's a little bit too close together. But it's fine. I'm trying to be more, oh, I don't know. Trying to not be so picky and not be so hard on myself. Or, you know, and redo things that don't necessarily need to be redone. I'm going to come right out, right there, almost in the same hole. Okay. Now we're cooking with gas, and I think I'm staying on camera. Yay! All right, I'm going to finish this one, and then I'm going to play with my cat first, because, you know, she needs attention sometimes. She's just got to have it. And I'm going to decide then if I'm going to, I'm sure you noticed that I skipped over a couple of those pieces of pizza that I drew in. So I'm going to decide if I want them, or if I want to just skip them, or if I want to do something else. And I might do some beads. So I'll be back. Okay, so I did a stem stitch down here, and then just a few little straight stitches here and there, and then I put some beads on. Some of them, like this one and that one, sort of hide places that I didn't like. In the center of each flower, I put one of these little turquoise beads, and these are the green beads that I put on the outside, and some little silver sequins. So that's my video for today. Thanks for watching. Till next time.